This is once again up in the sky, and this is held, and this is the moment. Pakistan becoming the champions, the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Ali Raza picks up the wicket, and it's joy for the dugout as players and officials run in with the flags on their back. Jubilation for the crowd as Pakistan clinched the Asia Cup Under-19 title after 13 years, and that too was joint winners with India, and now it's the first exclusive win for Pakistan as Pakistan turn around this campaign, starting gloomy but ending in a perfect sunshine. That's how good they have been, and this is the man, Sameer Minhas, in your picture, the champion batter, scoring twice 170 plus in the tournament, perhaps the only batter to score 2 centuries in the tournament, and they all get in the huddle and they all dance in joy. Look at Sarfaraz, look at the boys, and they have every right to enjoy the moment. They've worked hard and they can enjoy the success now as the captain leads them.
Well, they were on top of their game, might not have won the toss, but they did everything right after that. Got runs on the board, partnerships that mattered. The captain, Farhan Yusuf, going to be happy.
Of course, why not? Look at them, pumped up, enjoying this victory, and he deserves this. Sameer Minhas being carried on the shoulders by Momin Qamar, and he certainly has batted like a champion, scoring centuries, scoring important runs in the semi-final as well on that difficult track, a shortened game of 27 overs. He came out, batted like a champion, and today when the big day came, he had kept the best for this day, and how good he was with the bat in hand. Sarfaraz Ahmed, the mentor of the side, is now congratulating his players, also talking to the match officials, and it's high fives everywhere, hugging going on, and boy, these boys have deserved this victory. There's the head coach, and there's Mansoor Amjad as well, the fielding coach. Fielding has been a special attribute for this young Pakistan Under-19 team. They've caught well, they have restricted the runs in the circle, they've effected run-outs, and this boy has done a great job with them as well. And Rao Iftikhar is into tears, the bowling coach. 4 months he's been in Multan working with these bowlers, and he has got the results. This is the only team in the tournament who has bowled out every opposition on every single occasion, including a 27-over game, and that is where they dismissed Bangladesh as well, one of the best batting sides in the tournament, were all out in 27. So a lot of credit goes to Rao Iftikhar and Anjum as well, and the whole bunch has worked really hard, and they've got a magnificent result in the end, becoming the champions after 13 years exclusively for the first time. Pakistan ending up the Under-19 Asian champions.